Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And this weekend we are here at Indian Lake, which is in Lakeview, Ohio. That's another new one for us this year. We're hitting a whole bunch of new ones lately.
We are, yeah, another new book to get a stamp in our passport book. We've never been here, so I don't know, it'll be a fun weekend to explore the area, see what's going around here. It's a solar eclipse weekend, so there's going to be a lot of activities going, I think, in the campground and over just in the state park area.
The campground's full this weekend.
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah, really booked. We
booked months ago, thankfully.
And it's going to be an interesting weekend because we haven't had this. We've been a little spoiled with being the only ones or only a couple in a campground, you know, for the winter camping. So it'll be like right back into summer with a full campground going on. But it seems like a nice campground. It's kind of crowded. There are a lot of trees, which is nice because it's pretty, you know, you are pretty lined up. A lot of big tall trees. So maybe in the summer it would probably not look quite so big and open, but you can see a gorgeous sunset here behind us tonight. I don't know, what are we doing this weekend? We're just gonna explore a little bit.
Explore. Our friends Ryan and Kay are gonna be here, and then Mike and Shelly Confer from Camping with the Confers will be here Sunday. And we're just gonna check out the area. This is the area that was hit by the tornado about a month ago. So
just a few weeks ago.
So I'm not sure all of what's open.
The campground did give us, I think on their website, they actually did list like several businesses. There's a brewery, a winery, a couple different places that are open. So we're going to try to, you know, support some of the locals and see what we can do to help support them.
But we're going to go around, explore, and we'll bring you guys with us.
Yep. So we'll see you later.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Bye.
Tornado, I see you coming around. Don't let go, you know I'm holding you down. People shouldn't change like the weatherman. People shouldn't change if they innocent. People act strange when it's getting hard to breathe. So let me be your oxygen. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. See them go, hear them say. Trying to breathe but you're feeling strange. Oh, feel like you're living but you might be better out there. If you're going under, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. Domino, this world keeps knocking you down. Let them know no one can push you around. Getting out to breathe in the avalanche. Feels like you never see the sun again. Domino, this world keeps knocking you down. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. See them go, hear them say. Trying to breathe but you're feeling strange. Oh, feel like you're living but you might be better out there. If you're going under, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. Laughing with the demons in your head. They don't mean nothing. They don't mean nothing. No. Feeding off the words that they are said. They don't mean nothing. No. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. See them hear them say. Trying to breathe but you're feeling strange. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. wanna breathe, but you feel it stretch. Oh, feel like you're living, but you might be better out there. If you're going under, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen.
Suddenly I was awake enough to leave my bed. Bleary-eyed, I stretch and yawn, I rub the mess upon my head. I know I've done it all before. But something changed, I feel attached, my world aligned at last. It's in the stars, it's on my hands, I see it in my looking glass. These eyes I don't recognize, somebody simplified. Breathe in the air, Mother Nature set the pace. Hands in my hair, I fall in love with her embrace. And how the sun can paint a picture on my face. Think I can run 100 miles off of the feeling today. Never know when it'll hit you, but it hits you hard. Got the wind behind your back, the blood is pumping through your heart. To finally be alive, running from the start. Breathe in the air, Mother Nature set the pace. Hands in my hair, I fall in love with her embrace. And how the sun can paint a picture on my face. Think I can run 100 miles off of the feeling today. Spread love and peace and kindness. Our love is all. Breathe in the air, Mother Nature set the pace. Hands in my hair, I fall in love with her embrace. And how the sun can paint a picture on my face. Think I can live 100 years and take a flight to outer space. I'll live up there above the air and keep an eye upon the place. Think I can run 100 miles off of the feeling. Think I can run 100 miles off of the feeling
Feels good, feeling good, man, I told you so. Just live your life like you should and let your worries go. Keep your head up, even if you're fed up. Things will never change if you run from what you're scared of. Just remember who you are and where you came from. If you get lost, catch your steps and retrace them. Things change, but it ain't what defines you. And sometimes we need things that remind you. Even without lying, you can always find me. Even when you're flying blind, I'm feeling this world is mine for the taking. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna make this world mine. 2 joints in a bottle of wine. Reason to deny I'm feeling this world is mine for the taking. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take it this time. Feels like it's already mine. Reason to deny I'm feeling. get the demons out. A new day, a new dawn beginning now. I feel I can do anything. Just need to believe in what got me here. So far but so full of melody, and no time for fucking with my enemy. Too busy smiling for the energy. You get what you give, so I'ma give everything. Yeah. Come and run.
Hey guys, we had a great weekend. We enjoyed our time at this park.
Yeah, it was a nice place. I enjoyed it. I would definitely come back here. There's a lot to explore in the area that we didn't get to see.
Yeah, no idea that it was this big of a lake area, lake life, all the boats, and it would be really pretty cool to come back in the summer and check it out.
And there are a lot of campsites that are right on the lake, so it'd be nice to maybe get one of those next time.
Yeah. We were here for the solar eclipse, which was really cool.
Yeah.
We had beautiful weather all weekend. Pretty much we had great weather. It started off a little chilly. We had a drizzle Saturday night, late though, about time to go into bed anyways. And other than that weekend, it was absolutely gorgeous weather. Yesterday it was beautiful for the eclipse. What, 74? 70 something. T-shirt weather. It was great.
Yeah. We got a great view of the eclipse. That was really cool.
It was cool. It was cool. That was a weird experience, but that was really cool.
Yeah.
I don't know. We
went into town, visited, some of the local businesses that are opening.
We went to Indian Lake Brewing. Good beers. They don't serve food there, but they had a food truck come in. What was it? Something forked. I can't think of.
Fork you? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't remember the name. You saw pictures. There were pictures in the video. Oh my gosh, that was so good. That was an amazing sandwich.
But yeah, stopped in a couple little shops, got some souvenirs.
Yeah, just some little shops, tried to support them. There's, quite a bit open. I think there's a lot that's not, but we did try to support some of our local shops here.
And then we just hung around with our friends and had a great time.
We had a really nice time. Hanging out with friends.
Yep.
Other than that, I guess that's about all.
Time to head home.
Yep. So stay safe on your travels and
keep it between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.